In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Deconstruction Simulator on PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now once you have done that, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we will continue to another website to download this game without overpaying. Quickly go to the Steam website and don't waste too much time over here. We are going to search up the game Deconstruction Simulator, select it, and after that scroll a little bit down. There you will find a free demo, but we would like to download this full game. As you can see, the price is €13.31 on Steam, but don't worry, we have a workaround. What you need to do is click on the link in the video description where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search for the same game on this page, Deconstruction Simulator, and then select it. After that select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. Now if you search for this game, there will be a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. After that select the game, and once you have opened the game page you will find out that we can already download this game for €10.23 compared to the Steam price of €13.31. This will save you a bit of money while downloading games online. Now if you purchase this game on this website, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.